So the snow's pretty, but it has made it apparent that I have two small leaks that I now have to fix up front in the walls. So
hello friends, thanks for joining me. So today's project is going to be putting up some 4x8 wood panels. I just had to go to Home Depot because I needed a couple of sawhorses. There's some of the metal collapsible sawhorses, so I'm gonna go ahead and set those up and pull my generator over here and everything. And then we're going to get started measuring and cutting some holes for the windows and all of that. So let's get going. Dirt bikes. I'll probably go across the bottom first.
Okay. Towards you?
Hold on, I got it. Mine wasn't up on this. Yeah, towards me. Yeah, because this is close enough, I can make this work.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just that the box is a little crooked itself.
We're good.
So are you good over there?
Yeah, we're good.
Let me double check where my... Okay, yeah, right above this.
Right on.
Oh my Jesus. I don't know which way is better. Okay. Working my way down. Let's get that one, place in the box. You can't even see it. Like there's an indentation there, but
You can't see it?
yeah. As long as it's holding it. Oh,
Uh-oh.
it's not.
It came out.
So is it doing an indentation and not actually? No, the staples aren't going in.
Oh no. Uh-oh, because it just came undone again.
Okay. Yeah, it seemed like it
It
was.
seems like it was, too.
It's probably just the pressure,
Yeah.
I guess. Alright, well, let's line it up again.
Line it
It's
up
fine.
again. I gotta come towards you again.
Let's get it up on the thing. And then... Yeah, that should be good. How's it look over there?
It's good here.
Fuck yeah, high
It looks
five.
good. We did good.
We're gonna go ahead and get started on the driver's side walls. So this course is sort of, yeah. Oh, the metal's off. Is yours sitting down?
Oh, mine isn't yet. Hold on.
Oh, okay. I was like, is the metal that far off?
No, the metal's it's sitting on the metal now. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's perfect. How are we over there then?
Okay, let me check to make sure it's lined up here. Okay, it's good.
Is that good?
Good.
Yeah, dude. First try.
Okay.
But I could probably sand this down.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's right.
It's the end of the day for right now. Oh, we got this wall done on the driver's side. It's still a mess behind me. Pay no attention to that. But yeah, I think I'm done for the day today. My back's a little sore. Good morning. So, I just got back from walking the girls. I am still a little sleepy. Whew. But today I'm gonna go ahead and paint the walls that I put up yesterday. And then I gotta hook my little bit of solar that I have back up so that I can run my diesel heater, because last night it got chilly. And yeah, so I'm gonna chug this Red Bull real quick and then get to it. Hi! Are you trying to paint your walls but you can't figure out what color to use? Don't worry, let me present to you Molasses, the liquor of serps. Your colors will be rich and thick, and no hangover the next morning. Oh.
So I just finished painting the walls up front. Oh, she's gone. She's out of here. And then I had to go pack up some stuff for somebody else. And I'm just gonna chill the rest of the night, I think, now. Cuddle up with the animals and stuff. And then see what I get into tomorrow. There's a few different projects I could get started on, so we shall see. So, see you then.